Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and incredibly useful. How to avoid ChatGPT's biggest mistakes and get better results every time you use it. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, these tips will help you make the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. So, stay tuned till the end to get the most out of it. First off, let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes users make, being too vague with their prompts. ChatGPT works best when it has clear and specific instructions. If your prompt is too broad, the response might not be what you're looking for. Let's take an example. Instead of saying, "Tell me about artificial intelligence," try something like, "Can you explain the impact of artificial intelligence on the healthcare industry?" The second prompt gives ChatGPT a clear direction, leading to more relevant and efficient responses. Next up, let's address another common issue: not providing enough context. ChatGPT can give better answers if it knows the context of your question. For example, instead of asking, "What's the best programming language?" you could say, "What's the best programming language for web development in 2024? Adding that bit of context helps ChatGPT to narrow down the options and give you a more precise answer. Alright, now let's talk about breaking down complex questions. If your question is too complicated, it might be better to split it into smaller, manageable parts. Instead of asking, "How do I build a website and get it to rank on Google?" you could ask, "How do I build a simple website?" And then, "What are the best practices for SEO to rank a website on Google?" This way, ChatGPT can tackle each part of your question more effectively. Another tip is to use follow-up questions to clarify or expand on previous answers. ChatGPT can remember what you just talked about and build on it. For example, if you first ask, "What are the benefits of meditation?" and get an answer, you can follow up with, "Can you explain more about how meditation affects stress levels?" This keeps the conversation flowing and helps you get deeper insights. Let's not forget to review and refine your prompts. If the response isn't quite right, tweak your prompt and try again. Sometimes a small change can make a big difference. For example, if "What is the best way to learn a new language?" doesn't give you a satisfactory answer, try, "What are some effective methods for learning a new language as a beginner?" Refining your prompts helps guide ChatGPT to give you the best possible response. Another big mistake that ChatGPT users do is taking everything at face value. Remember, ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, but that doesn't mean everything it spits out is gospel. Always double-check the information ChatGPT generates, especially for important topics. Use trusted sources like scientific journals for verification. It can make mistakes, especially with factual information. Lastly, ChatGPT can be a robust tool to generate articles and blog posts, but its outputs can sometimes feel robotic. Don't be afraid to inject some personality. Rephrase suggestions, add a touch of humor, or even throw in a relevant pop culture reference. So, there you have it, some practical tips to avoid ChatGPT's biggest mistakes and get better results. Remember, clarity, context, and follow-ups are your best friends when using ChatGPT. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.